This is going to be a video demonstration on how to set up timers. So go ahead and click on our app. Click on WLED. Okay, from this point, we are going to set up timers. So go ahead and click on preset. Okay, now you want to find the preset that you want to set as a timer. For this demonstration, I am going to click on dim/bright. And this is going to be preset number 5. How I know that is because the numbers on the left side of each preset corresponds with that specific preset. So Cowboys 10 will be 100, dim/bright will be number 5, DIY will be 101, and so on and so forth. So now I want to set dim/bright on a timer. So that is going to be preset number 5, and I will remember that number. Scrolling to the top, this is going to be the second preset that we are going to use. Okay, so now that we have the preset that we want to set on the timer, now we have to click on this preset right here, and this will turn the lights off. This preset is called 1 lights off. This is always going to be number 12. So now that we have preset number 5 and 1 lights off, that's going to be preset number 12. Go ahead and click on the top right of the screen on configure. Go to time and macros on the bottom of the screen. Swipe down. Okay, so right here is where we're going to set up the timer. This is in military time, so you have to keep that in mind. So in the hours, you're going to put the hours that you want the system to turn on. I'm going to do 20. Leaving the minutes how it is. And in preset, we're going to put number 5. So delete 0 and put 5. In the second column, we're going to do 23, and this one is where I'm going to do 30. So we got hour 23, minute 30. And in this section right here, we're going to do 12. Okay, so now what I did is I set the timer on the hour that I want it to turn on and off. On the first section, I've put preset number 5. So the system is going to register that on hour 20, it's going to turn on preset number 5, which that preset is the dim/bright. And then in the second column, when the system reaches 2300, it's going to turn on preset number 12. And preset number 12 turns the lights off. So again, at hour 20, it's going to turn on dim/bright, which is preset number 5. And when it hits 23, it's going to turn on preset number 12 that turns the lights off. So that is how you set up a timer. Okay, now scrolling to the top. This is very important. You want to click on the correct time zone that we are in. Okay, so on the app, we have set up the hours and the presets. This is going to be very, very important. Okay, so we want to click on back. Click on back once more and once more. Okay, so now that we're back on this screen, as you can see the numbers that are at the bottom of the WLED that says 192 dot. Yours is going to be different than mine, but that is the number that is very important. Okay, go ahead and write that down on a piece of paper. Once you have that number, go to your Safari app. Once you're in the app, click on the search bar and you want to type that number in. And once you push on search, so once you've clicked on search, it's going to open up the controller from your Safari browser. This is going to be the important step. Click on configure. Click on time and macros. Now we're going to get the location. So go ahead and click on get location right here. By clicking on getting location, it's going to open up another page. Go ahead and click on allow. Once you've clicked on allow, it has successfully grabbed your longitude and your latitude. So now we want to set this into the actual app. So click on set in WLED. As you can see, it has set it up into the app. So now we want to click on save. Once we've clicked on save, you want to swipe up, go ahead and open up the app once more, click on WLED, click on configure, click on time and macros. As you can see, it has successfully implemented your location right here. So once we've got this correct time zone and we've also set up the specific location, now the system will be able to specifically dictate what time it will turn on and off. And now that is exactly how you set up a timer for your system.